G.H.E.T.O drill, guys. It drilled all these holes, and I'm going to show you on one that hasn't been drilled yet. Let's do this one right here. I'm going to use my right hand. So I just take this and put this one here. See, hasn't been drilled yet. Just take that tip and focus and drill it in. And hear it crackling. Oh, because I'm doing it with one hand, but okay. Because I usually use the other hand to hold it down. And the string, the rope, helps keep that sharp part from cutting into my fingers. And then I take the tent pole part, this part, and I just dig out the shavings. And then I push it back down like this. Take the string off like that, unravel it like that to give me some more room, because it's about a 2 centimeter, and then I just do like that to push it up further. And then I go back in here, just blow it, put my knee on it, and then I just keep going like that. Bring this up. It's painful. You see it drilling into my hand here, so it's a little bit painful, but yeah, it's all right. And then I can take this and do it like that too. Take some more out. Push it through some more. And this ought to be the last bit. Oops. Yeah, I think we're through. Almost. Take that. Okay. Put that back in here. That. Almost. That. almost. And we're through. So it took me about 6 minutes with one hand. Usually take me about 2 or 3 minutes with using both hands. But that's it, guys. That's how you can make your own hand drill. This way. With a drill bit, it cost me €1 10 cents. And then this tent pole I already had from an old tent. So €1 10. The string cost 99 cents for a whole roll. So that's it, guys. Ciao for now. Toodles.